Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. Today I am doing the hashtag First Saturday Art YouTube hop, and it happens to land on July 4th. There are a lot of prompts, but I took the wild card. So the prompts were Frida Kahlo, Lollipop Day, Lipstick Day, Moon Day, Rain Day, or Books or Sunshine or Donut Week. But I'm going kind of themed on the 4th of July, kind of themed on the World Cup. So I don't know if any of you are on TikTok and have been watching all the TikTok videos from visitors to the United States here for the World Cup. It has been so much fun to watch and actually really inspiring in how friendly the USA people have been to the visitors. So I wanted to document that in some way. And so this is my positive affirmation journal. I don't know if this will be a positive affirmation, but it's positive. So I gessoed the pages to get them all even so that my flag that I'm painting would look good. And yeah, so I did white gesso, a couple of layers. I don't even make you watch that whole thing. And then I put in the block for the blue field for the American flag, US flag. And now I'm painting white. Because the white paint is just a little bit brighter than that gesso and covers a little bit better. And then we'll add the red. And this is just strictly the background for all the little pieces of, there's snippets from Google that are based on the World Cup and on the experiences people have been having while visiting the United States. I found out yesterday that we actually had a team at one of our colleges practicing before the playoffs started. I don't know if there's anybody there now, but I didn't know it at the time. Like, I had no idea. I knew the World Cup was coming, but I didn't know the scope or the extent of it. And I'm told we had the World Cup in 94, 95. And that I don't remember at all. Of course, I didn't have TikTok then. I didn't have a lot of things then. I don't think I even had Facebook then. When did Facebook start even? I don't even know. Now, my flag is not, perfectly accurate. It's just a representation. And kind of a messy one at that. So I'm using my favorite gel pen to put some stars on there. I don't have a stamp or anything, but I think the white gel pen stands out pretty well. And this particular page has like the little insert of an envelope, and it just happens to be upside down. Oh yes, and the ranch. I don't know if you guys, like I said, if you guys have been watching it or anything, but apparently people are loving the ranch. And I just happen to have a craft ranch picture that I found. I think they've got Hidden Valley is the one that's, all the rage. But if you want a good ranch, it's Wild Coyote. Wild Coyote is the good ranch. Once you go Wild Coyote, you can't go back. Anyway, so the people have discovered ranch, so they've been trying to take it home. They've been putting it in their carry-on. Well, it's a liquid. And so, yeah, you can't take that in your carry-on. You have to check it. And I think there's a limit too. I'm not sure. But yeah, so I've just been trying to take Ranch home with them, which I thought was really hilarious. So I thought I'd put that on here to commemorate that part. And here's the thing, is TSA has a warning for World Cup fans. You can't bring 4 bottles of ranch on flights. I'm not sure how many you're allowed. There is the packets that you add the ingredients to, so you can do the powder. It might be better. Yeah, so I'm trying to work with that envelope page. And I realized, yeah, that's going to fold up, so I need to remember that's a flap at the bottom there. So how is everyone? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're having a great 4th of July. If you celebrate the 4th of July, if you're, in the States. If you're not, you can celebrate along with us. It's the 250th. I can't remember what centennial they call that one. Semi-sesquicentennial or something like that. Anyway, 250 years of independence. Yeah, and I added a little quote there. It says, "We came for the game, we left with new friends." I liked that. A lot of people have said they were going to stay in touch with the people they met, especially those in Boston. I found this picture. It's like, I don't know if it's all the different, it came up when I searched, and it's like a whole bunch of different nationalities, but I don't know if they're the ones playing. There's a lot of teams playing, and I've kind of I haven't watched any games. I'm not a sports person, per se, but of course I root for USA. I'm rooting. And I like to root for the underdogs, too. I've been watching, what is that guy's name from Scotland with the long blonde hair? A really tall guy. I've been watching some short clips of him making goals. Pretty impressive stuff. So this little insert, it has the Scots on there. They kind of took over Boston and and I had a lot of fun there. Everybody in Boston thought it was great, at least from what I see on, social media. And yeah, they drinking the place dry. I know they drank a lot of, I think they drank on the flight they came over. One guy was saying that they ran out of booze and they had wine, so they offered him wine. It's not the same as beer, is it? But yeah, Boston was running out of beer. It's so funny. Yeah. Well, and they're putting traffic cones on all the statues. I guess they do that back home. It's a thing, a trend. So, yeah, they started doing it here. Oh, I cut out a few paper stars, kind of a yellow-orange color. I thought that would, stand out a little bit. I was imagining in my mind the ranch dressing like a firework or shooting off fireworks, so that's why I put the stars on there. You envision something in your head. It never turns out quite that way, but especially when you're putting it in this little teeny book and you have all this stuff you want to put on it. So, and I don't have a star punch, so I have all these wonky little stars that I hand cut out. But this is a hop, so that means, hopefully you're still here, that means if you go in the description box below, you'll see a link to the next person in the hop. Now, everybody's doing something different, and those prompts, probably using the prompts that I listed earlier. So none of them will be like this one. But I just wanted to commemorate, the World Cup and what's happening, because I thought it was so awesome. And I do add a quote on here. I was trying to think of the right thing to say, and I found this, and I really liked it. And it says, "So, is this what world peace feels like? Are we there? Did we do it? Because riding this wave with all of the World Cup TikToks and seeing the human race coming together is absolutely incredible." Yeah, it has been incredible. And if you haven't seen any of the videos, I will have a link in my description box below. I'm also going to share it on my Facebook page so that you can, hopefully, even if you don't have TikTok, you can see the video if I share it to my Facebook. It's just kind of like a montage of stuff from the World Cup, from the fans. I mean, it's really from the fans. So hopefully you'll go on there and see that if you haven't seen any of this stuff. And they're calling it the A Great American Sleepover. I think that's hilarious. But here's the little flip through. I'll have a couple of pictures at the end. Don't forget to click on the link to go to the next person in the hop. The videos are pretty quick. This one was pretty quick. So I hope you check it out. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have an awesome day.